Now, we often rely on our retirement assets to outpace inflation. However, we all know that markets are unpredictable. They go up and they go down. Typically, market pullbacks will have minor impact on your retirement savings because we simply wait for the market to recover. However, when a market pullback occurs early in your retirement, they can have some of the major impacts, making it very difficult for portfolios to bounce back to provide you the income needed throughout your retirement. We call this a sequence of return risk or sequence risk. What's frustrating about risk is based solely on the luck of what's happening in the market when you retire. You can't control or predict it, but its impact in your retirement nest egg can be very significant. Let me demonstrate now on how timing and retirement can be everything. Let's take a look at Bill and Jill. Bill did very well in his retirement, and when he reached his retirement age of 1996, he accumulated $1 million in retirement. And when he started his first year of retirement, started withdrawing 4% every year. Now let's take Jill. Jill, just 3 years younger, she followed her brother's same footsteps, also accumulating 1 million, withdrawing 4%. The only difference is Jill retired in 1999, 3 years later than her brother. Now let's go back to Bill. He started withdrawing 4% each year, adjusted for inflation. By the year of 2022, he withdrew a total of 1.6 million, and his residual account value increased to over 2.3 million. Bill's retirement plan is looking pretty good, right? Well, how about his sister? Jill retired in 1999, withdrawing the same 4% each year, adjusted for inflation. By the end of 2022. Her total would have been withdrawn about 1.3 million. That's about $300K less. But her total account value fell to zero. That's $2.3 million less than her brother. So what happened? Well, Bill in 1996 experienced 4 years of positive returns before having to weather 2 strong bear markets, the 2002 and 2008. Bill simply had more time for his savings to grow before those negative return years hit. But now let's take what happened to Jill. Jill, however, retired in 1999 and only had 1 year of positive returns before the bear markets hit. Jill fell victim to sequence of risk. Now, the only thing Jill did differently here was retired 3 years later, giving her a different sequence of market returns. Now, as you can see, the effects of sequence of return make it really hard to plan for your retirement. You can't predict what the market's going to do or when. And due to this level of uncertainty, many people are looking for guarantees. And if you're one of these people that want to take secret of the risk return exposure off the table, we have strategies that can help.